Your Night Owl camera not recording events? Don't worry. Here are 9 quick fixes that actually work. First, make sure motion detection is turned on. Without it, your camera will never record anything. Next, check recording mode. If it's set to none, nothing will be saved. Switch it to motion or continuous. Adjust motion zones and sensitivity. Wrong settings can stop detection completely or trigger too much. That if your hard drive is full and override is off, recording will stop. Turn override on. Not getting alerts? Enable notifications on your phone and turn off Do Not Disturb. Outdated firmware can cause issues. Always keep your system updated. Make sure your camera is properly connected and compatible with your system. For PR cameras, mount them at least 7 feet high for best detection. Still not working? Do a factory reset, but remove the device from the app first. Follow these steps and your camera will start recording again. Subscribe for more quick fixes.